This is called a RoboCup, not to be confused with RoboCop.
Thank you for your cooperation. Good night.
It's an American-made product. It's actually a pretty cool thing. It's advertised as a portable caddy, and it's basically made to clamp onto different round objects. It has this spring-loaded clamp in the middle. There's actually two of the clamps, and it's really strong, kind of hard to open even, but that's good because it provides a strong clamp. It has a rubber texture grip on the inside, and they advertise it for all kinds of different things, like a film set. I've seen them advertise it on boats. They have this opening in the bottom that allows you to put a fishing rod inside of it and allow it to rest inside, which is great for our builders out there that are making different things for kayaks and boats. And it's just a really cool product. It is kind of expensive. You can get it on Amazon or at Bass Pro Shops and different things like that. But since it has this clamp made for round objects, it works awesome for conduit builds. As you can see, it clamps on there nice. And it's just a great add-on for different storage and organization needs. We've been using it for a couple of different things. Mainly, it's on our packing stations, and we use it to hold heat guns, and we can easily take them in and out whenever we're ready to, seal a package that we're sending out. And then since it has that opening for fishing rods, it allows different things to fit inside as well. You can see the bottom of this drill with the socket attached is coming out the bottom, and it fits in there nice, and you can easily kind of holster a drill and other tools. So really cool. And they've also recently added some different accessories. They have a bigger attachment that goes on the bottom that you can use for larger bottles and different things like that. They have an accessory holder for phones, keys, and they have several different new add-ons for all kinds of different things that are pretty cool. And it's just a great addition to a conduit build if you want to add storage and kind of solve some problems in your build and just make for easy organization. So really cool. I'll leave a link to them down below if you want to check them out. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.